Hello friends, today we'll start with next example on strain energy. Determine horizontal displacement of roller D of the frame shown. EI is 8000 kilonewton meter square. So this is the frame A, B, C, D. A is hinged end, D is roller, 5 kilonewton load is acting at D. The dimensions AC is 3 meters, AB or CD is 4 meters. So first basic step will be to find or to draw free body diagram. So free body diagram is one wherein you remove the supports and replace them by reaction components. Let this be AB, BC, CD. Now here external load I have to show. External load of 5 kilonewtons is acting at this point. Five kilonewtons is acting at this point. Now for this I have to take the sections and draw the free body diagram. Now in order to balance this, a load of 5 kilonewtons is acting in opposite direction here. Now this makes this member in equilibrium. Now when I join these two together, its opposite and equal has to act here. Similarly, to keep this in equilibrium, its opposite here and its opposite here. Now I have to balance the bending moments. Now this creates a bending moment of, at this end, 5 into perpendicular distance. This distance is 4 meters. 5 4s are 20. It is acting in clockwise direction, anti-clockwise like this. It is acting in this direction. So in order to balance this, an equal and opposite moment is acting here, 20 kilonewtons. At this joint, to balance this, another load is acting here, 20. Now to keep this in equilibrium, opposite of 20, to keep this joint in equilibrium, 20. So here this load is 5, 5, 5 and 5. Now let me take the sections. For this I start from this end, go till here. Let this be section MX. For here, for section BC, I start from C, go towards here. Let this distance be X, and here I start from this end, go till here. Let this distance be X. So I am going to put that in a tabular form. Portion so here origin, limit, moment value mx, ei. So I am going to start from D, come towards A. This is the procedure. So first will be DC, CB, PA. For DC, origin, I start from D. So origin is D. Limits means length, limits of x. At this point x is 0, at this point x is 4. So 0 to 4. Moment at this section. Now if you consider this section, this is producing 5 into x, 5x. Moment is 5x. EI value same or constant, keep as it is. Now come to section BC. At this point, here two forces are there. This is the load, 5 kilonewton load, and this couple 20 kilonewton couple. Now perpendicular distance for 5 is 0, so this does not produce any moment at this section. Now bending moment at this section, again my same sign convention, right hand side anti-clockwise positive, left hand side clockwise positive. So here moment at this section is 20, only 20 plus 20. So origin is C, I am starting from C, limits are 0 to 3, limits are nothing but distances, couple is 20, EI value. Now come to BA at this section. Now if you look at this section, you have to look in this direction, inside to outside view. Two forces are there, 5 kilonewtons and 20. Again same sign convention, right hand side anti-clockwise, left hand side clockwise. Now if you look at this section, 20 kilonewtons is acting in anti-clockwise, so couple or moment at this section is 20. Again this phi is also acting, it is in opposite direction, so 20 minus 5x. So origin is B, limits 0 to 4, bending moment 20 minus 5x EI. So I will write this strain energy equation. So strain energy is equal to what? Integration of m square by 2 EI dx 0 to L. So I am going to write for each of these sections and add them together. First, for DC 0 to 4, 5x bracket square divided by 2 EI dx plus 0 to 3, 20 square divided by 2 EI dx plus 0 to 4, 20 minus 5x bracket square divided by 2 EI dx. Now I will go on simplifying the terms, is equal to 5x bracket square, that is 25x square by 2 EI 0 to 4 plus 20 square, that is 0 to 4, 400 divided by 2 EI dx plus, first I am going to simplify this bracket, so 0 to 4, 20 minus 5x square, that is 400 plus 5x bracket square, that is 25x square minus 2ab, 2 into 20 into 5, 100, 200 minus 200x divided by 2 EI dx. Now 25 by 2 EI outside, x square, integration of x square is x cube by 3. So limits are 0 to 4 plus 400 by 2 EI, that is 200 by EI. So 1, integration of 1 is x, limits are 0 to 3. Now here 400 by 2 EI, again 200 by EI remains into x plus 200 by EI x 0 to 4 plus 25x square by 2 EI. So 25 by 2 EI is outside the bracket. Integration of x square is x cube by 3. Zero to 4 plus, it is minus actually, minus 200 by 2 EI, 100 by EI into x minus 100 by EI, integration of x is x square by 2, limits are 0 to 4. You solve all these things, you get strain energy is equal to 1133.3 by EI. Let this be equation 1. Now work done, half P into delta, 1 by 2 P is the load, so load is 5 into delta, you get 2.5 delta. Let this be equation 2. Equating work done to strain energy, 2.5 delta is equal to 1133.3 by EI, or you get delta is equal to how much? 1 second. 1133.25 by EI, or 1133.3 divided by 2.5. So substituting the values, you get 2.5 delta is equal to 1133.3 by EI, or delta is equal to 453.33 by EI. So EI is given as 8000 kilonewtons meter square. So substitute value as it is, you get 0.0566 meters, or same you can convert into mm's, is equal to 56.6 mm. So roller D is going to move by 56.6 mm. Thank you.